Business continuity planning, BCP, is a proactive strategy for ensuring that an organization's vital operations and delivery of essential products or services can continue in the face of various disruptions or crises. It entails developing and implementing strategies, procedures, and policies to reduce the impact of potential hazards and allow the business to recover swiftly and effectively. We will look at the essential components and actions involved in business continuity planning in this section. Risk assessment and business impact analysis. Conducting a complete risk assessment and business impact analysis is the first stage in business continuity planning. This includes assessing potential threats and hazards, such as natural disasters, cyber attacks, pandemics, or power outages, that could disrupt routine operations. A business impact study also assists in assessing the potential effects of these disruptions on essential processes, resources, and stakeholders. This research lays the groundwork for the development of successful mitigation solutions. Business continuity plan development. After identifying the risks and potential consequences, the next step is to create a business continuity strategy. This plan outlines the strategies, procedures, and resources needed to keep or restore critical business functions during and after a disruption. Clear roles and duties, communication methods, backup systems, and recovery strategies should all be included in the strategy. Alternative sites, supply chain linkages, and IT infrastructure requirements should all be considered. All essential stakeholders should have access to the plan, which should be documented. Crisis management and response. Crisis management and response tactics should be included in business continuity planning. This entails putting together a crisis management team and specifying their roles and duties. The team should be prepared to respond effectively in the event of a crisis, which includes activating the business continuity plan, coordinating emergency response operations, and communicating with internal and external stakeholders. To ensure fast and accurate distribution of information, crisis communication protocols should be in place. Backup and recovery systems. Backup and recovery solutions are an essential component of business continuity planning. Regular data backups, off-site storage, redundant IT systems, and alternative communication channels are all part of this. To set acceptable downtime and data loss levels, organizations should develop recovery time objectives, RTOs, and recovery point objectives, RPOs. Backup and recovery systems must be tested and validated on a regular basis to ensure their effectiveness during a real disruption. Training and awareness. Employee training and awareness are required for an effective business continuity plan. Employees should be familiarized with their roles and duties during a crisis through regular training sessions and simulations. This comprises procedures for emergency evacuation, communication protocols, and the utilization of backup systems. Awareness programs can help to build a preparation culture and ensure that staff understands the value of business continuity planning. Testing and exercising. It is critical to test and exercise the business continuity plan in order to discover any gaps or weaknesses and update the plan accordingly. This can include tabletop exercises, simulation exercises, or full-scale drills to evaluate the success of the strategy and the crisis management team's response. Lessons obtained from these activities should be documented and used to continuously update and improve the plan. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Business continuity planning is a continual activity that necessitates constant monitoring and improvement. Periodic reviews and updates should be conducted by organizations to reflect changes in the business climate, technology, or risk landscape. This includes revising the risk assessment, updating contact information, assessing recovery strategies, and applying lessons learned from real-world occurrences or exercises.